Hey, what's up, peoples? This is Primetime Tom. I am out here in honor of my buddy Sam, doing another walk in the nature, or as he'd say, in the nature. And no matter how many times I've tried, I've never been able to replicate because, you know, Sam's one of a kind, as you all know. So I am out here at, I think you pronounce it, Salish Ponds Wetlands Park. Kind of a little park here with different ponds. You got a marsh, a meadow, ponds, and creek. This is a little map here. My buddy Clearski, the creeper, was actually here the other day, and I saw him covering this place, and I thought it looked pretty, and I thought, hey, I've never been there before. So here's a map of the place, Salish Ponds Wetland. Got a map here, the different trails here. Parking, West Pond Trail, East Pond Trail. So yeah, we're at Salish Ponds. I believe this is in Fairview, Oregon, another suburb of Portland. So yeah, let's take a walk around, and if you ever get a chance, check out Clearski the Creeper's channel. He's a local Portland Gresham person. Does a lot of cool vlogs. That's a cute little bird there. A lot of trees in the pond out there. So yeah, he's done a lot of coverage of the Gresham area in Portland. He's talked about different historical landmarks in Portland, and just a really cool, down-to-earth guy. He spells his name K-L-E-A-R-S-K-I, and Creeper, K-R-E-E-P-E-R. So here we go. Just, you know, checking out the beautiful wetlands here. A couple of ducks. Lots of trees in the pond here. More ducks, and we're just here on the trail. Got some benches, and looks like this is part of, actually behind a set of apartments. Yeah, there's some ducks there, and a duck. Although I'm not sure I want to disturb the ducks. Try to go on that duck, but maybe I can go out here. Like I said, I don't really want to scare them. There's a seagull. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Little dock out here. Wow. Just absolutely beautiful. Take a look at that. Lots of beautiful trees. Just really, really peaceful out here in the nature. Alright. So we're heading back out here. This is Duck again, or Mr. Duck. Yeah, that's a goose. Forgive me, I'm trouble with animals. Okay, it looks like we are on the East Pond Trail. So we're just gonna follow it around here. Oh, hey, look, it's a squirrel on a swing. So we're just gonna make our way around here. really sure how far this goes, people, but definitely getting in a good little hike here. That's a cool rock and more benches. Guess we'll just follow this around, I guess.